In the vibrant world of hip-hop, every artist has a story that defines their legacy. But few stories are as raw, powerful, and transformative as that of Christopher Dorsey, famously known as BG. Born in the gritty streets of uptown New Orleans, he faced a life filled with challenges, from losing his father at a young age to battling addiction and surviving an 11-year prison sentence. Yet, through it all, he emerged not just as a rapper but as a symbol of resilience and reinvention. Let's dive into the extraordinary journey of Baby Gangsta, his struggles, his rise to fame, and the steadfast support that shaped his incredible legacy. Christopher Noel Dorsey, or BG, began his life like many street hustlers in New Orleans. Growing up in the Fred neighborhood, BG faced an environment riddled with crime and poverty. At just 12 years old, his father was tragically killed during a robbery. This trauma became a turning point in BG's life. The struggles and pain of his childhood awakened the artist within him. The intersection of street culture and music deeply influenced his lyrics. While others abandoned their dreams, BG channeled his experiences into storytelling through rap, laying the foundation for his career. BG's talent came to light when Birdman signed him to Cash Money Records at just 12 years old. Initially known as Lil Doogie, he soon adopted the name BG, short for Baby Gangsta. At Cash Money Records, BG found his breakthrough with the Hot Boys, collaborating with Lil Wayne, Juvenile, and Turk to revolutionize Southern rap. With hits like We on Fire and I Need a Hot Girl, they brought Southern hip-hop to the mainstream. However, it was the iconic track, Bling Bling, that turned BG into a cultural phenomenon. The song didn't just top charts, it coined a term that became a symbol of fashion and luxury, even earning its place in the Oxford English Dictionary. After leaving Cash Money Records, BG started his own label, Chopper City Records, showcasing his independence and belief in himself. Through this label, he released albums that resonated with fans by reflecting his real-life struggles and authenticity. However, his personal life was fraught with challenges. Addiction became a significant obstacle, diverting his focus from music. In 2009, during a traffic stop, he was found with illegal firearms and drugs. The situation worsened when he was accused of intimidating witnesses. In 2012, BG was sentenced to 14 years in prison, marking one of the darkest phases of his life. Yet, this period also became a turning point, where he introspected and prepared to write a new chapter. In September 2023, after serving 11 years of his sentence, BG was released from prison. His release was not just the return of an individual but the revival of a legacy. Birdman, his longtime mentor, welcomed him back with open arms. Almost immediately, BG returned to the studio with renewed focus and energy. This time, he carried not only the passion of a fresh artist but also the wisdom and maturity born from years of struggle. Despite his struggles, BG's luxurious lifestyle reflects his hard-earned success. His impressive car collection rivals that of any hip-hop mogul. From customized Lamborghinis to Rolls-Royces and a custom Bentley, each vehicle represents his unique taste and relentless drive. His mansion in New Orleans is an architectural masterpiece, a symbol of how he transformed poverty and hardship into a reality of wealth and comfort. The home's modern design and luxury amenities are a testament to his journey from the streets to success. BG's journey is not just the story of a rapper but of a survivor. His influence permeates hip-hop culture, from lyrics to fashion and street culture. Even during his incarceration, his fans stood by him, eagerly awaiting his return. Now free, his upcoming projects promise to continue his legacy of resilience and authenticity. Today, BG's net worth is estimated at around $6 million, a testament to his talent, hard work, and ability to turn setbacks into comebacks. He has silenced his critics and turned every challenge into an opportunity to shine. What do you think makes BG's journey from an ordinary rapper to a cultural icon so inspiring? A man who rises after every fall is not just an artist but an inspiration. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more stories about incredible journeys like this one. From the gritty streets of New Orleans to rap superstardom, BG isn't just a rapper, he's a survivor. Behind the hits and headlines lies a tale of talent, turmoil, and an empire worth $2 million. So, how did this hot boy rise, fall, and rise again? In the ruthless world of hip-hop, BG, also known as Baby Gangsta or B-Gizzle, is more than a name, it's a legacy. As a founding member of the legendary Hot Boys, he helped shape the sound of Southern rap in the 90s. But his journey didn't stop there. With legal battles, chart-topping albums, and a comeback story that rivals the best, BG's life is a rap saga worth exploring. Let's dive into the rise, fall, and financial journey of one of hip-hop's most resilient figures. Born Christopher Noel Dorsey in New Orleans, BG's life was shaped by the rough edges of his city. In the early 90s, he emerged as a core member of the Hot Boys alongside Lil Wayne, Juvenile, and Turk. Together, they lit up the charts with anthems like We on Fire and I Need a Hot Girl, cementing their place in rap history. B. Graham's raw lyrics and magnetic energy didn't just add to the group, they helped define it. His presence was vital in catapulting the Hot Boys from local heroes to mainstream stars. When the Hot Boys disbanded, BG didn't fade away, he doubled down. His solo debut, Chopper City in the Ghetto, dropped with a bang, winning critical and commercial success. Albums like Livin' Legend and Heart of Tar Streets proved he was more than just a group player, he was a solo powerhouse. But fame came with a price. In 2012, BG was hit with federal prison time for weapons possession and witness tampering, a sentence that derailed his momentum and dented his finances. Yet even behind bars, his music endured, and his fanbase stayed loyal. Released from prison in 2023, BG wasted no time making waves again. Linking up with Gucci Mane for the joint project Choppers and Bricks, he announced to the world, BG is back. His comeback reflects not just his musical hunger, but his resilience. According to Celebrity Net Worth, BG's fortune stands at around $2 million in 2024. This includes earnings from his music, past investments, and new ventures. While legal issues may have shaken his financial standing, his enduring reputation and fresh projects keep his revenue flowing. B. Graham's story is about more than money, it's about survival, reinvention, and staying true to the game. From paving the way for Southern rap to bouncing back after prison, he remains a respected voice in hip-hop. His $2 million fortune, that's just part of the story. The real wealth is in his cultural impact and the streets that still chant his name. From the heart of New Orleans to global recognition, BG's journey is a testament to resilience, talent, and hustle. And as his comeback unfolds, one thing is clear, the saga of BG is far from over. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite hip-hop legends. In the world of hip-hop, each artist carries a unique narrative that shapes their identity and artistry. Today, we delve into the extraordinary life of rapper BG, also known as Baby Gangsta. His influence extends well beyond the music charts, with an essential figure in his journey being the steadfast woman who provided unwavering support and love throughout his ups and downs. Christopher Dorsey, famously known as BG, was born on September 3, 1980, in the tough red neighborhood of Uptown, New Orleans. Growing up in an environment fraught with challenges, BG faced a significant tragedy at the tender age of 12 when his father was fatally shot. This traumatic event thrust him into a harsh reality dominated by street life and survival. Yet, in the midst of adversity, BG found refuge in music. By 1993, his talent was recognized, and he signed with Birdman's Cash Money Records, marking the beginning of a promising career at just 12 years old. BG's ascent to fame truly accelerated when he co-founded the iconic rap group Hot Boys in 1997, alongside legends Lil Wayne, Juvenile, and Turk. The Hot Boys played a pivotal role in defining the sound of Southern hip-hop, particularly through the distinctive bounce style that became synonymous with New Orleans rap. Their hit, Bling Bling, released in 1999, emerged as a cultural phenomenon, popularizing a flashy lifestyle that deeply influenced rap culture and aesthetics. Despite his early success with Cash Money Records, BG faced significant hurdles. Financial disputes with the label led to his departure in 2001, prompting him to channel his creative energy into his solo career. He established his own label, Chopper City Records, where he released multiple albums that showcased his unique style and lyrical prowess. However, behind the scenes, BG struggled with personal demons, including addiction, which impacted both his life and career. BG's personal life mirrored his professional struggles, featuring both highs and lows. He married Kesha Morris in 2001, with whom he shares a son, marking the first chapter of his family life. Later, he married Felicia Butterfield, the daughter of U.S. Congressman G.K. Butterfield. The couple welcomed 2 children before the divorce in 2011. Throughout these relationships, BG navigated the complexities of fame, fatherhood, and personal challenges, often seeking stability amidst the chaos. In addition to his musical endeavors, BG made notable investments in real estate. In 1999, he purchased a lavish mansion in New Orleans for $1.5 million, which he sold in 2004. His taste for luxury extended to his Atlanta lifestyle, where he acquired a $500,000 apartment in 2007, later selling it in 2012. BG's impressive car collection, featuring models like the Bentley Continental GT, reflected his success and refined taste, embodying the lavish lifestyle often associated with hip-hop culture. Beyond his material accomplishments, BG's legacy in hip-hop is profound. He remains a revered figure in Southern rap, having influenced countless emerging artists with his distinct sound and authenticity. Despite his personal battles and the challenges he faced, BG's impact on the genre is undeniable. In recognition of his contributions, he received the BET Hip Hop Award for I Am Hip Hop Icon in 2011, celebrating his enduring influence and legacy within the hip hop community. BG's journey is a testament to resilience, creativity, and the complex interplay of personal and professional challenges in the world of music, marking him as an enduring icon in the southern hip-hop landscape.
My nigga, slim looking at him like, why the fuck we didn't sign him? Why? That nigga changed, he ain't the same. It's no way that we can.
For more stories like this, hit the subscribe button now.